Hi sweetheart, I'm so glad you're here. If you found this video tonight, I think you needed it. Maybe your skin has been frustrating you lately. Maybe you're just exhausted and you needed somewhere quiet to land. Either way, you're safe here. Go ahead and get comfortable. Pull your blanket a little closer. Dim the lights if you haven't already. Tonight, we're not rushing. We're not performing. We're just taking care of your skin, of yourself, of this quiet little moment that belongs entirely to you. Let's begin. Korean skincare has always understood something that the West took a long time to learn. Skin doesn't respond to force. It responds to consistency, to care, to being met where it is. The Korean approach, chok they call it, means dewy, bouncy, hydrated skin. Not stripped, not attacked, not over exfoliated into submission. What we're doing tonight works on two levels. The first is physical. We are going to soften those pores, gently dissolve what's been sitting inside them, and restore the surface to something silky and calm. The second is deeper than that. We're building a ritual, something your skin and honestly your nervous system will begin to recognize and look forward to. And that, over time, is where real transformation lives. Step by step routine, clean slate first things first. Let's pull everything back. I love this part. There's something so satisfying about this single gesture. Pulling your hair away from your face. It says, I'm ready. This time is mine. The headband goes on soft, stretchy, a little cool against your forehead. Take a breath. Feel the shift. You're already arriving somewhere quieter. To step 2, oil cleans. The first step in removing blackheads isn't a strip or a scrub. It's oil. I know, it sounds counterintuitive. Put oil on congested skin, but here's the secret that Korean skincare has known for decades. Oil dissolves oil. The sebum that's settled into your pores, sitting there, oxidizing, turning dark. It breaks apart beautifully when it meets a cleansing oil. I'm reaching for a gentle, lightweight cleansing oil now. Hear that? That little sound. I'm warming it between my palms, back and forth, slowly, until it becomes something silky and almost translucent. Now, it goes on the skin, starting at the forehead. Fingertips pressing in soft, unhurried circles. Can you feel it? The oil moves like water, effortless, weightless, melting over the skin surface, down toward the nose now. This is where we spend a little extra time. Those small circular motions along the sides of the nose, around the nostrils. This is where the oil is doing something important, quietly working its way into each pore, softening everything that's been sitting there. There's no rush here. The bridge of the nose, the chin, the forehead again, one more time. And now, warm water. Watch how it emulsifies. The oil turns milky white as the water touches it. This soft, beautiful transformation, and it rinses clean, taking everything with it. Your skin already feels different, doesn't it? Step 3, foam cleans. Now we follow with something lighter, a gentle foam cleanser. Where the oil cleanse did the heavy lifting, this step is the finishing touch, the clarifying step, the fresh start. I pump out just a small amount, barely a coin-sized amount, and work it into a soft lather between my palms. Feel how light it is, like whipped air. Onto the skin now, feather-light fingertips, small, gentle circles. T-zone first, nose, chin, then out across the cheeks so softly it's almost just a touch. And we rinse. The water feels cool now against freshly cleansed skin. Pat, never rub. With a soft cotton towel there, your skin is clean now, truly clean, ready for everything that comes next. Step 4, BHA exfoliant toner, the blackhead step. And now, this is the step I know you've been waiting for. This is where the real work happens. We're using a BHA toner tonight. BHA beta hydroxy acid is oil soluble, which means it can travel inside the pore. Not just skim the surface, directly inside, where the blackheads actually live. It gently dissolves the oxidized sebum, softens the pore lining, and over time, with consistency, it visibly reduces blackheads and minimizes the appearance of pores. The ingredient doing this tonight is salicylic acid, And if that word sounds harsh, I promise you, this formulation is anything but. I'm pouring a small amount onto a soft cotton pad. And now, I press, I don't swipe, across the nose, the chin, the forehead. Pressing, holding, moving. You might feel a faint, almost imperceptible tingle. Not burning, not stinging. Just a quiet awareness that something is happening. Something good. Leave this on. Let it breathe. Let it work. While we wait, close your eyes for just a moment. Imagine every pore like a tiny door that's been stuck. And this toner is gently, patiently unlocking them one by one. Calm step 5. Clay mask with charcoal. Now this is where it gets deeply satisfying. A charcoal clay mask. The clay acts like a gentle magnet, drawing out impurities, absorbing excess oil, pulling to the surface what the BHA has already loosened inside the pore. Charcoal amplifies this. It's one of the most effective natural pore clearing ingredients that exists, and the way it feels on skin is grounding, cooling, like being held still. I'm using a small spatula to scoop out just enough. The texture is dense but smooth, like cool, soft clay between your fingers. Applying it now, starting at the nose, across the T-zone, the chin, a thin, even layer. Watch it go on dark and velvety. The cooling sensation against freshly cleansed skins is one of my favorite feelings in skincare. Just immediate calm. We'll leave this for 10 minutes. And this is where you fully surrender. Lay back. Let the mask do what it knows how to do. You don't have to think or fix or figure anything out right now. Just breathe. Step 6. Mask removal reveal 10 minutes. Time to rinse. Lukewarm water. Never hot, we don't want to shock the skin. And gentle circular motions to dissolve the clay. There it is. Feel that surface under your fingertips. Something has shifted. The skin feels smoother, cooler, quieter somehow. Pat dry. And now, take a moment. Just look at yourself. Not critically. Not hunting for what's still there. Just look. That's your skin after being genuinely cared for. And it shows. Nice. Step 7. Hydrating essence. Here's something important that people miss about blackhead routines. After you clarify, after you've done the real work of clearing, your skin needs hydration. Deeply, immediately. An essence is the Korean way of delivering water-based ingredients directly into freshly receptive skin. Think of it as the first drink of water after a cleanse. A few drops in my palms, pressed together. And then, warm hands meet clean skin. The Korean 7 skin method, layering essence lightly 7 times, is the gold standard for deep hydration. Tonight we'll do 3 layers, 3 gentle pressings, 3 moments of giving your skin exactly what it's been asking for. First press, second, third. Feel how plump the skin feels now? That's not a product, that's hydration. Step 8. Niacinamide serum. And now, niacinamide. If you're dealing with blackheads and enlarged pores, this is the ingredient that keeps giving.